question. This was the okay. So this was the question here. Here. See now here vertical equilibrium exists. Vertical equilibrium exists. That means this after applying this force. And here I will speak little bit faster. So if you are having little problem that if I am fast for you, so one option is there that in YouTube you can decrease the speed, you can make it that 0.75 and then you can watch my video, that will be clear for you then. Okay, मैं दोनों ही भाषाओं का प्रयोग करूँगा, इंग्लिश और हिंदी. Okay, see here, this block will not break the surface. ये ऐसा नहीं surface को तोड़ फोड़ के नीचे चला जाएगा. This will not break the forces and surface and it will go down. So vertical equilibrium, but horizontal no equilibrium. So vertical equilibrium means see n minus 12 minus 20 n में लई up तो positive, this की लई तो negative 12 Newton, and that all I say this is equal to 0 into equal to ma. M is 2, acceleration is 0. So that's why 0 and normal is equal to this much, normal force this much. Okay. Now talk about horizontal acceleration. So horizontally only one unbalanced force is there, that is 16 component of this. So 16 minus nothing. So 16 only is equal to ma. 2 into a implies that acceleration is equal to 8 meter per second square. This is the answer. Acceleration is 8. Find the acceleration of the block, which is 8 meter per second square. Okay. And then find the normal reaction. Normal reaction is 32 meter. Okay. I hope I am clear. So here I am having few more numericals, which I will be discussing with you. Here are those numericals. Here. Pause the screen, note all the numericals. Page number 3. That was numerical 4. Here, that was numerical 4. Now here I will start from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12, 13, 14, and 15. Almost one more numerical I will take after that. So 15 numerical will be solved by me. So here I am starting after this. This numerical now. Just look at this. Question number 5th. Third page number. Page number 3rd, question number 5. Find the distance traveled by the block in 3 seconds. And listen here. All these surfaces here we are treating smooth. Friction will be taught by me later, after some time. So means all we are treating this surface is smooth. Previous numerical that surface was also smooth. So all these surfaces are smooth. ये सारी surfaces smooth हैं. इसमें friction नहीं लग रहा है. Friction को बाद में बताऊंगा मैं. ठीक है? तो उसका free part इसको you have to find the distance travel in 3 seconds. तो be fast. जैसे कि ये लग गया यहाँ 37 डिग्री 20 न्यूटन 53 डिग्री एज शोन 10 न्यूटन. उसको रिजॉल्व कर लेते हैं फटाक से. चलो उसका फ्री बाइट डायग्राम बना लेते हैं. व्हेन आई विल मेक फ्री बाइट डायग्राम तो आई विल गेट दिस 20 एंड इन दिस ऑल न्यूमेरिकल आई एम टेकिंग g इज इक्वल टू 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. ये नॉर्मल. इसका एक कंपोनेंट 20 का ये cos 30 इधर आएगा, साइन इधर आएगा. तो cos 30 इसका हो जाएगा 16 और इसका साइन हो जाएगा 12. सिमिलरली इसका इधर हो जाएगा वही सेम थिंग tan cos 53 डिग्री और ऐसे लग जाएगा tan sin 53 डिग्री. दिस इज इक्वल टू 8 न्यूटन एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 6 न्यूटन. So now again vertical equilibrium, this will not break the surface and go down. So similarly here vertical equilibrium means n equal to, directly I am writing n equal to 12 plus 20 plus 8, that is equal to 40. Okay, this is a normal force. And now acceleration. First of all find the acceleration. So here I have to find distance, but let us find the acceleration first. So 16 minus 6 equal to, net force horizontal is 16 minus 6, F is equal to ma. M is 2, A is A. Let us find that A is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3 meter per second square. From here 6 by 2 na, 6 by 2, that is 3 meter per second square. So see here, acceleration is constant or variable here? Acceleration is constant here. Acceleration is constant here. Therefore, can we apply v is equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus half at square or v square is equal to u square plus 2as. These all are equations of motions. Equation of motion. Don't be confused in equations of motion and laws of motion. Laws of motions were this. First law, law of inertia. Second law, law of momentum. Third law, action reaction pair. Means to every reaction there is equal and opposite reaction. These all are law. These are equations. V is equal to u plus at. These are equations of motion, not laws of motion. S equal to ut plus half at square. V square is equal to u square plus 2s. Because equality is there in between. See here. They are holding equality. Equality है तो ये equations of motion है. They are not laws of motion. They are not laws. ये law नहीं है. Okay, so I am applying this, and this can be only applicable when acceleration is constant. Means acceleration should not be variable. If acceleration be variable, we cannot apply this. अगर acceleration variable होगा, नियतांक नहीं होगा, तो हम इसको नहीं लगा पाएंगे. तो उसको अप्लाई करते हैं. We have to find yes as nothing given here, so we can treat like that system starting from rest. If system starting from rest, so initial velocity 0. I am applying second equation. So as displacement only means total, this we have to find is equal to 0. Because initial velocity 0, half acceleration 3, t is 3 also, 3 ka square, because given in 3 seconds, so 3 ka square. When I will solve this, I will get, I think, 27 by 2 meter. So this is the answer. For this, answer is 27 by 2 meter. Okay. Let's take one more numerical. That one is sixth one. Sixth one is here. Find the acceleration of the block for here. Here again, I'm telling you all these surfaces are smooth. So acceleration, I have to find this acceleration of this block. So first of all, acceleration means it will slide down. By what acceleration? Let us find out that. Okay, now first of all, make free diagram. Block is like this. Okay, this is m, mass, general mass. So mg की lay down. Okay. Now normal will be like this. This will be the normal. Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Normal will not be like this. Normal will be like this. Why? Because see, the contact surface between this block and the surface is this. And as I told you, if you remember, normal force is always perpendicular to the area of contact. So normal will act like this, not like this. This is not 90 degree. This is not normal. So this will be normal. This is a correct way to show the normal. So this is a wrong free body diagram. If you draw like this, correct free body diagram will be like this. ये m, ये mg. नॉर्मल हमेशा परपेंडिकुलर लगता है. ये लाल सही है, काला वाला गलत है. तो ये नॉर्मल ऐसे होगा. केवल यहाँ पे दो ही फोर्स लग रहे हैं. हाँ, दो ही फोर्स लग रहे हैं. अब क्या करेंगे, हम फोर्सेस को रिजॉल्व कर लेंगे. बिकॉज दे आर नॉट इन सेम एक्सेस. तो हम यहाँ क्या करेंगे, along the motion फोर्सेस को रिजॉल्व करना चाहते हैं. तो along मोशन ऐसे है हमारा, ऐसे. तो हम यहाँ mg को रिजॉल्व कर लेंगे. ओके, लुक एट केयरफुली. बाय ज्योमेट्री, इफ दिस इज थीटा, तो ये 90 माइनस थीटा होगा. टोटल 90 डिग्री ऐसे आ रहा है ये, तो ये भी थीटा ही होगा. वंस अगेन, ये थीटा, ये 90 माइनस थीटा, तो ये भी थीटा होगा. तो ये mg cos थीटा हो जाएगा. लेट मी टेक द ब्लू प्लेन. तो ये mg cos थीटा हो जाएगा और ये वाला mg sin थीटा हो जाएगा. सो हियर अगेन नॉर्मल, what will be the normal? First of all, your normal on the block will be mg cos theta. And what will be the, see, because ये while sliding like this, ये ऐसे तो कूदेगा नहीं. It will not jump like this. It will simply straight away come like this smoothly. So on this axis, along this axis, equilibrium is there, but along this axis, equilibrium is not there. Along this axis, equilibrium is there, but along this axis, equilibrium not there. So n is equal to mg cos theta. ये normal force आ गया. Here it's not asked, but I am telling you. And acceleration, this is only unbalanced force along the motion. So I will write F is equal to ma. That mg sin theta is equal to ma. M cancelled. A is equal to g sin theta. मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर इफ स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट, मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. ये आंसर है. एक्सेलरेशन इज g sin theta. Okay, sixth also solved. So sixth solved, fifth solved, sixth solved. This the two we have solved. Okay, now come on seventh one. Here it is asking, find the normal contact force between 2 kg and 3 kg. find the normal contact force between 2 kg. Similarly, make free body diagram again side by side properly. Here like this 2 kg, here like this 3 kg, 3 2. I am going in hurry very little bit. हाँ, तो उसका फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम पहले बना लेते हैं. ऐसे आ जाएगा 30, ऐसे आ जाएगा 20, ऐसे लगेगा सपोज कर लेते हैं N1 और ऐसे लग जाता है N2 और कोई डायरेक्ट फोर्स नहीं है तो ठीक है. मान लेते हैं कि ये 3 kg इस पे फोर्स लगाता है F. मान लेते हैं कि 3 kg इस पे फोर्स लगा रहा है F. तो बाय न्यूटन थर्ड लॉ दिस विल आल्सो अप्लाई द सेम फोर्स इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑन दिस एक्शन रिएक्शन पेयर. ये छोड़ेगा तो है नहीं. ओके, ये भी F लगा देगा तो ठीक है. अब फोर्सेस को रिजॉल्व कर लेते हैं अलोंग द मोशन. ऐसे फोर्सेस वी शुड रिजॉल्व अलोंग द मोशन लाइक दिस. ओके, आई एम रिजॉल्विंग द फोर्स. सो अगेन if this is 37 degree, look at carefully, this is 37 degree, ये 37 डिग्री है. ऐसे अगर यहाँ बनाए ऐसे ऐसे ये देखो ऐसे ये नॉर्मल. तो ये जो हमारा होगा ये भी 37 डिग्री होगा. 37 डिग्री टोटल 90, अगेन 53 डिग्री, तो ये 37 डिग्री अगेन. सो मीन वाइल दिस विल बी 20 cos 37, 20 cos 37, that is 16, and this will be 12 sin 37. Similarly here 30 cos 37, cos 37 means 4 by 5. So this you will get 6, that is 24 Newton. 24 Newton like this. Along this you will get 30 into sin 37, 3 by 5, 6, 18 Newton. Here you will get 18 Newton. Okay. This F only we have to find, which is a force acting between both the blocks. So let us find it out. That again I'm telling you, along this direction equilibrium will be there, so that equation I'm not writing. This direction equilibrium will not be there, तो ये F हमको find करना है. This F we have to find, so that I'm focusing on that. So I will write, suppose going down na, तो 12 net force along this direction plus F is equal to MA 2A. On this net forces 18 minus F, because see F is up, 18 is down, this resolved force. So 18 minus F is equal to 3A. 2 equation 2 unknown, add them. 2 equation 2 unknown, add them. This will be cut. You will get 30 equal to 5A, implies that A is equal to 6 meter per second square. A is equal to 6 meter per second square. Okay. Now what do you want F? Put it there in any equation, either in first equation or in second equation. I will get my F. So I am putting in second. So F is equal to, bring this here. F is equal to become positive. So 18 plus. I am putting in second equation only properly. तो 18 minus F is equal to 6 into 3. इधर भी 18, इधर भी 18. See, both are 18, cancelled. This implies that F is equal to 0. You put in this also, you will get 0 only. This implies that F is equal to 0 Newton. This implies that F is equal to 0. Means they are not pushing each other. Means normal reaction force between them. Force between them is 0. Why? Because friction is not there and they are falling like under gravity, simple free fall. They are just in that free fall case. So here that's why F is coming 0. Means neither this 2 kg is pushing 3 kg, not 3 kg is pushing 2 kg. Okay. If surface will be rough, then this criteria will change. अगर surface rough होगा तो ये ऐसे नहीं होगा. F की कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू आ जाएगी. So here 0. Okay. This one I can also solve. Okay. Now this number, question number 8. Question number 8, like this. Directly I am making free body diagram. Directly free body diagram means make side by side properly as it is. Don't make bottom में लाइन की लई, ऊपर नीचे मत बनाइए, साइड बाय साइड वैसे बनाइए. इससे आपको आसान होगा. It will be easy for you to construct free body diagram. Just I am making. ये 2 kg, ये 5 kg, ये 3 kg. Don't go on size, go on the concept. देखो यहाँ लग गया 20 न्यूटन, यहाँ लग गया 20 न्यूटन. ओके, वेरी गुड, सुपर. These all I am solving. First of all, before copying this, you can pause your screen and you can solve all this numerical one by one. Okay, but I am solving. So suppose this year normal one, this year 20, this year 50 and 2 and 3, and this year 30. Okay. 20. Let us suppose 2 kg is applying on 5 kg F1. So this F1 by action reaction pair applied by 5 kg on 2 kg. 5 kg is pushing 3 kg by suppose F2, and 3 kg is also pushing same by F2 action reaction pair. Okay, very good. ये होता है generally. For example, see here 3 pens are here. See here, black, blue and red. I am pushing first pen only, but all 3 are moving. Means this is pushing this one and this is pushing this one. मैं केवल वहाँ एक पेन को धक्का लगा रहा हूँ, लेकिन तीनों मूव कर रही हैं. फोर्स ट्रांसफर हो रहा है. फोर्स कैन बी ट्रांसमिटेड. सिमिलरली हियर ऑल्सो. ये यहाँ भी यही भी होगा, यहाँ भी यही होगा. तो नाउ लेट अस write equation. Vertical equilibrium, vertical equation I am not writing, only horizontal. It is moving horizontally not equilibrium. So horizontal equation I am writing. Net force on this 20 minus F1 is equal to MA. M is 2, A is 8. Net force on this, see here, net horizontal force. Net horizontal force, let it be aside for a while. Horizontal force on this is equal to F1 minus F2 is equal to 3. Achha, why I have written 20 minus F1? Why? Because block will slide in this direction. So 20 I have taken greater. Common sense. Because your net force applied in this direction only, na? That's why I am writing 20 minus F1. Okay? Okay. Okay. Third one, F2 is equal to, sorry 5 ही होगा. F2 is equal to 3 because net force in horizontal direction F2 only, na? F2 only. 3 equations, 3 unknown. 1, 2, 3. Add them. Gone. So 20 is equal to 10A. I hope so. Implies A is equal to 2 meter per second square. A की वैल्यू मिल गई. अब पता कर लेते हैं F2 की वैल्यू क्या है. थर्ड इक्वेशन में पुट करके F2 is equal to 3 into 2, that is 6 न्यूटन. और F1 में पुट करने के लिए यहाँ भी पुट कर सकते हैं, यहाँ भी पुट कर सकते हैं, कहीं भी. आई कैन पुट इधर हियर और हियर. आई विल गेट वैल्यू ऑफ F1. तो F1 is equal to, आई एम पुटिंग इन फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. F1 कमिंग हियर पॉजिटिव, दिस वन गोइंग देयर नेगेटिव. 20 minus 2 into A. A is 2 only. तो F1 20 minus 2, that is 16 न्यूटन. तो F1 की वैल्यू आ गई 16 न्यूटन, इसकी वैल्यू आ गई यही. जो देखो, वी हैव टू फाइंड द फोर्सेस बिटवीन 2 kg and 3 kg. तो बिटवीन 2 kg and 5 kg, 2 kg and 5 kg that was F1, 2 kg and 5 kg that was F1. F1 की वैल्यू आ गई हमारी 16 न्यूटन, एंड बिटवीन 3 kg and 5 kg 6 न्यूटन फोर्स एक्टिंग. एंड कॉमन सेंस की बात है, स्वाभाविक सेंस बात है. आई एम पुशिंग लाइक दिस, सो दिस विल फील मैक्सिमम फोर्स, एंड वाइल ट्रांसफरिंग फोर्स विल डिक्रीज. यहां से वहां जाते जाते फोर्स डिक्रीज होगा. ऑब्वियस बात है, अगर 4 बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं, मैं एक को धक्का ऐसे लगा रहा हूं, तो जो लास्ट वाला बच्चा है, चौथा, उसको सबसे कम फोर्स महसूस होगा. द लास्ट वन विल फील वेरी लेस फोर्स एज कंपेयर टू द फर्स्ट वन. सो सी हियर, वाइल ट्रांसफरिंग फोर्स इज डिक्रीजिंग. दिस इज ऑल्सो सॉल्व्ड. ओके, वेरी गुड. So again, this is question number 9. I am solving here. Question number 9. Simple, nothing else. Find the tension in the string. Find the tension in the string. In the string, if the block is at rest. Find the tension in the string if the block is at rest. तो उसको टेंशन फाइंड करना है, कुछ नहीं है. सिंपल. Pause the screen. अरे 1 minute game, 30 second game. Nothing. Make it by diagram. I will make it by diagram like this. Suppose block is here. Block is here. Here block is here. हाँ. May lay tension like this because the string kile mg. Because see, block is not falling down nor moving horizontally. Block is at rest given. So obviously net force should be 0. So T is equal to mg. This is only tension. Answer. Nothing else. T is equal to mg. अच्छा, listen here. Before starting this, I want to tell you a few lines about tension. Okay, tension, first of all, tension can exist. Tension is a force, nothing else. Tension is a force. Means unit of tension is same, that is Newton. Unit will be same, Newton. Tension is a force, that is Newton, which exists in pulling bodies. Listen me carefully and write. I will not write here. Which exist in pulling bodies such as string is a pulling body. Sometimes rod can be also a pulling body. So in this type of bodies, tension will exist. Suppose here string is there. See here, the string is there. I will pull this, so tension will be there. You can hear that. And suppose this can act like a rod, but while pushing, tension will not be there. But then this rod, when I will pull, tension will be there. See here. ये पेन कैन बी ट्रीटेड लाइक अ रॉड ना, हाँ. तो ये पुशिंग और एनी पुशिंग टेंशन विल बी देयर. टेंशन इज ऑल्सो अ फोर्स. नाउ लिसन हियर. बेसिकली मेनली टेंशन वी टेक इन स्ट्रिंग ओनली. Now listen here. When tension will change in the string, I am discussing about that. When tension will change in a string. This is all I am writing here. When tension, this you will not get in book. Tension, when tension will change in strings. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट व्हेन स्ट्रिंग विल चेंज, जब स्ट्रिंग बदलेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल स्ट्रिंग हियर टू हियर, सेम स्ट्रिंग ना, तो थ्रू आउट टेंशन विल बी सेम. यहां भी टी होगा, यहां भी टी होगा. सपोज टोटल लेंथ 1 मीटर, तो हाफ मीटर पे भी टी होगा, 0.25 मीटर पे भी टी ही होगा. व्हेन अगर यही स्ट्रिंग बदल जाती है, सपोज वन मोर स्ट्रिंग आई विल अटैच हियर एंड वन मोर ब्लॉक, सो इन दैट स्ट्रिंग in this and that string tension will change. जैसा कि यहाँ दो string है. I will discuss this but after this. When string will change, second point, when string has mass. When string has mass means string is not massless. Here string we are considering, all string in this chapter will consider massless string. जो मासफुल होगी लेटर ऑन विल स्टडी इन सेंटर ऑफ मास एंड मेनी प्लेसेस, बट यहां पर हम लोग मासलेस स्ट्रिंग को कंसिडर करेंगे. हियर स्ट्रिंग इज मासलेस. थर्ड, व्हेन देयर विल बी फ्रिक्शन इन द पुली. जब पुली में फ्रिक्शन होगा, पुली जस्ट लाइक दिस. Here all the pulleys, one thing more I will tell about pulley also. In this, all this pulleys will be massless as well as frictionless because tension will change. So here we will take massful pulley we will study later on in rotational motion. Okay, here up to here whatsoever I am discussing with you people, here pulley will be massless as well as frictionless. तो जब भी हमें कहीं पुली दिखाई देगा और पुली massless अगर नहीं, अगर पुली frictionless नहीं है एंड massless भी नहीं है, पुली अगर फ्रिक्शनलेस नहीं है और मासलेस भी नहीं है, पुली इज नॉट फ्रिक्शनलेस एज वेल एज नॉट मासलेस, तो टेंशन विल चेंज. ओके, अदरवाइज टेंशन विल बी सेम. सो दीज आर द 3 बेसिक क्राइटेरिया व्हेन टेंशन विल चेंज. व्हेन स्ट्रिंग विल चेंज, व्हेन स्ट्रिंग हैज मास, और व्हेन फ्रिक्शन इज इन द पुली और पुली इज नॉट मासलेस, देन टेंशन विल चेंज. ओके, हाँ, व्हेन पुली इज नॉट मासलेस मीन्स सेम इंक्लूडेड हियर ओनली. ओके, सो लेट अस सॉल्व दिस नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल. See here, same thing just like this. Here only they were connected by each other. So their normal reaction force was acting. Here they are connected by a string. Here pushing, instead of pushing, here pushing force, pulling force is there. So I have to find this here. This can be solved by other method also. This can be also, that I will discuss here only by constraint method process. तो देखो उसका फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम बनाते हैं. एंड हियर व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड, सपोज हियर अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू क्वेश्चन, आई फॉरगेट टू राइट केयरफुली. पॉज द स्क्रीन and listen and solve this by. Here we have to find tension in this string and this string. We have to find tension in both the string. We have to find tension in both the string. So let us make pivot diagram. 5 3 2 ऐसे लग गया 20. Okay, तो obviously because of this string tension will be there. Let this tension be T1. So similarly T1 will be here because string is same. Let this tension be T2. See T1 T2, why? Because this string different. ये दोनों string different है, इसलिए मैं tension same नहीं ले सकता. यहाँ भी T2. Okay. Surface is smooth. No need to show the friction. And again I am telling you on all this chapter, all the string as well as pulley. String will be inextensible as well as massless. pulley will be massless as well as frictionless. Let us begin. So again, vertical forces, this will be N1, this will be 20, this will be N2, this will be 30, this will be N3, this will be 50. इक्वेशन लिखते हैं. नेट फोर्स ऑन दिस, देखो नेट फोर्स अलॉन्ग दिस डायरेक्शन, तो 20 जास्ती, 20 इज ग्रेटर ओनली, सो 20 ज़्यादा है तो इधर ही मोशन होगा. तो 20 माइनस T1 इक्वल टू MA 5A, T1 माइनस T2 इक्वल टू 3A. नेट फोर्स हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन अनबैलेंस, T2 इक्वल टू 2A. 3 इक्वेशंस, 3 unknown, solve this, add them, cancelled. 20 is equal to 10A implies that A is equal to 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. A मिल गया, अब टेंशन निकाल लेंगे. सी है टेंशन T2 is equal to वही 2 गुणे 2 जो कि आ गया 4, 2 गुणे 2 जो कि आ जाएगा कितना 4 न्यूटन और 4 न्यूटन. और T1 for T1 I can put here also I will put here, okay, no problem. So T1 is equal to T2 plus 3 into 2, T2 की वैल्यू 4 है तो 3 into 2 6 plus 10 न्यूटन. T1 की वैल्यू 10 न्यूटन. सी here also while transferring force is decreasing. तो इन दोनों के बीच जो टेंशन है 5 kg और 3 kg के बीच में वो 10 है. इन दोनों के बीच जो टेंशन है वो कितना है, वो 4 है. मासेस का ऑर्डर चेंज है, मासेस ऑर्डर इज चेंज. ओके, but this can be also be solved by very simple method, that is by constraint motion method. Okay, but this is the best way, universal way, always applicable. तो constraint motion ये देखते हैं कि whenever body constraint motion means that I will make a separate video on constraint motion, but first of all let me discuss here only. Constraint motion means body is moving in a particular constraint aligned manner in a same direction with the same velocity and same acceleration. तो ये method applicable है. ओके तो देखो यहाँ बॉडी मूव कर रही है सेम एक्सेलरेशन से एंड सेम वेलोसिटी से. तो हियर सी नेट फोर्स अप्लाइड ऑन दिस होल बॉडी, आई विल ट्रीट दिस होल एज अ वन सिस्टम. टोटल मास ऑफ द सिस्टम इज 5, 3, 2, 10. टोटल मास ऑफ द सिस्टम इज 10. टोटल फोर्स अप्लाइड ऑन द सिस्टम इज 20. तो आई विल अप्लाई F इज इक्वल टू MA. तो F इज 20, मास इज 10, A इज A इज इक्वल टू 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. देखो सेम एक्सेलरेशन दिया हुआ, 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. हियर नाउ हियर सेम वी हैव गॉट. ओके, तो अब पता कर लेते हैं. अब देखो हमें पता करना है कि यहाँ पे T1 कितना है, ये पता करना है ना. तो T1 इज पुलिंग 3 kg एज वेल एज 2 kg बाय दिस एक्सेलरेशन. तो अगेन F इज इक्वल टू MA. M इज 3 plus 2, A कितना है 2, तो कितना आ गया 3 plus 2 5, 5 2 जा 10 न्यूटन. सी 10 न्यूटन. T2 is pulling 2 kg only, तो for T2 F is equal to में M is 2 only and acceleration is 2, 4 Newton. Same as. So this is only applicable when body is moving in constraint, means when body is following constraint rule, constraint motion, when body is having constraint motion. I will discuss properly what is constraint motion properly. आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. With respect to time you will come to know. Similarly here also this method is applicable. Okay, everywhere. Now question number 11. This was question number 10. Now turn question number 11. Pause the screen and solve by your own. First of all, 2 kg here, 1 kg here. You have to find tension in the string for the figure. If pulley is same thing, massless and frictionless, and again same thing, string is inextensible and massless. Pause the screen and find it by your own. I am finding. तो मेक करते हैं properly free body diagram. ये ऐसे है तो इसको ऐसे fall like this here, and don't make 1 kg here, wrong, otherwise you will mistake. Make 1 kg here only, just like this, 1 kg here. तो अब देखो इस पे लग रहा है नॉर्मल, ऐसे नॉर्मल 20, here 10 Newton because 1 kg, and here is tension because of string. String is same or different? Here to here string is same, so tension will be same. Here tension is horizontal, here tension is vertical. Tension vertical, tension horizontal. See, this block is in vertical equilibrium. This block will not jump like this on the surface, but instead of that, in spite ये block ऐसे surface पे smooth slide, horizontal slide करेगा. This block will slide horizontally, and this will go keelay down. This will go vertically down. Okay. This is not having vertical equilibrium, but this is having vertical equilibrium. This is 2 kg, this is 1 kg. So let us write the equation. Net force on this is tan minus T is equal to ma 1 into A. Net horizontal force unbalanced which is causing motion is T is equal to 2A. ये कट गया. Tan is equal to 3A implies that A is equal to 10 by 3 meter per second square. This is the acceleration. Obviously, then tension I will put it here and I will find the tension. I will put it here and I find the tension. So T is equal to 2 into A, 10 by 3, that is 20 by 3 Newton. Or put it here, you will get same answer. Okay. F is equal to ma. I applied here. Acceleration is this much. Okay. So this is the answer of this one. Very good. This also we have solved. Question number 11. Now let us see question number 12. Question number 12. Question number 12. Question number 12. Pause the screen, solve by yourself. In this condition, it is released from rest. See, if the tension in the string, find the tension in the string if string is massless. And same thing, pulley is also massless and frictionless, and string is inextricably massless. So we have to find tension. इसका फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम बनाते हैं. बी फास्ट फटाक से ऐसे. तो यहाँ लग जाएगा टेंशन बिकॉज स्ट्रिंग इज सेम और डिफरेंट. सेम. तो यहाँ भी ऐसे ही ऊपर ही लगेगा टेंशन. यहाँ लगेगा 20, यहाँ लगेगा 30, 30, 20. विच इज जास्ती, विच वन इज ग्रेटर, कौन ज्यादा है? 30. तो आई विल राइट 30 माइनस टी इज इक्वल टू 3a, t माइनस 20 इज इक्वल टू 2a. कैंसल. tan इज इक्वल टू 5a, a इज इक्वल टू 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर आ गया. तो अब बड़े इजीली टेंशन निकल जाएगा. इधर पुट इन फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, इधर पुट इन सेकंड इक्वेशन. तो आई एम पुटिंग इन सेकंड इक्वेशन. t इज इक्वल टू 20 प्लस 2 इंटू ए की वैल्यू 2 थी, तो आ गया 24 न्यूटन. ये आंसर 24 न्यूटन इज आंसर. वेरी गुड, सुपर. नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन आई एम सॉल्विंग. दिस क्वेश्चन again you have to pause the screen and solve this question for 1 minute or 2 minutes, not more than that, but I am starting. Okay, pause the screen and solve by yourself and then check your answer. All the question do same way only if you want to learn. Okay, find the tension in both the string. इधर देखो, here two strings in all strings are there. 1 2 3, 1 2 1 2 3. Here I have written both the string. Basically means that I am taking this and this. Okay, you have to find basically tension in all the strings. Here I have to find tension in all the strings. 1 2 3. Let it be 1, let it be 2, and let it be 3. Okay, so let us make free body diagram, properly free body diagram. Here only I am making. तो इसको बना लेते हैं ऐसे, ऐसे बना लेते हैं. इस पे लग जाएगा 50 न्यूटन नीचे, ऐसे लग जाएगा टेंशन ऐसे अप. ओके, बट नाउ लिसन हियर. यहां भी टेंशन, और यहां जो टेंशन लगेगा ऐसे, लेट इट से T3 बिकॉज स्ट्रिंग इज डिफरेंट. एंड यहां जो टेंशन ऐसे लगेगा, लेट अस से T2. ओके, यहां T2 लगेगा ऐसे, और यहां क्या लगेगा? T1 बिकॉज आई एम कटिंग द स्ट्रिंग फ्रॉम बिटवीन. और ये पूरा इक्विलिब्रियम में है सिस्टम, बिकॉज रेस्ट पे है, कहीं मूव करने के रहा. सिस्टम इज इक्विलिब्रियम. सो लाइक दिस, सी हियर 1 2 3 स्ट्रिंग नेम. सो सिमिलरली टेंशन नेम T3, T2 एंड T1. T1 ले लेते हैं. सॉरी, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2. सॉरी, 1 2 3. तो सिमिलरली 1 2 3 ऐसे ले लेते हैं. स्ट्रिंग सेम तो T2, स्ट्रिंग सेम T1. अब यहाँ क्या करते हैं? ओके, दिस इज 53 डिग्री गिवन. लिसन, ये 53 डिग्री दिया हुआ है. दिस वन, ये 53 डिग्री दिया हुआ. तो आई विल रिजॉल्व दिस आई विल गेट T3 sin 53 डिग्री एंड दिस आई विल गेट T3 cos 53 डिग्री. ओके ओके. Now total equilibrium means here this is not going down, this is not going down, this is also a stationary equilibrium. So here T2 can I write 50 Newton, correct? T2 is 50 Newton. T2A is 50 Newton. Now look at here, this here. Here this equilibrium and this case, vertical equilibrium and horizontal equilibrium. So can I write like this, T3 cos 53 degree is equal to T1 as well as T3 sin 53 degree is equal to T2, and T2 is 50 Newton, that we know. तो T2, तो T3 की वैल्यू यहाँ से कितनी आ जाएगी? T3 की वैल्यू आ जाएगी, T3 वैल्यू इज सॉरी T3 वैल्यू विल बी दिस बाई cos 53 डिग्री. तो T2 वैल्यू इज 50 न्यूटन. cos, sorry, here it will come. Sin 53 degree means 4 by 5. This you will get your answer. This is. And solve this, you will get your answer. And for T1 is equal, sorry, some mistake I have done. No, okay. T1 is equal to T3 cos 53 degree. So T3 की वैल्यू I am putting 50 into 5 by 4, and cos 53 is 3 by 5. T2 is equal to T3 sin, and T1 is equal to, हाँ सही है. अब you solve this, you will get your answer. I hope this cancel, and this I think after solving this whole I will get 50 into 3 divided by 4, something 37 around I will get. So this will be 37.5 Newton, and when you solve this, so again 1 ja 12.5 I think so, or 12.25 something. तो एज वी सॉल्व दैट दिस, ये इतना आ रहा है, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. हाँ 2.5 इसको सॉल्व करते ही अगर देखते हैं फर्दर मल्टीप्लाइंग, आई थिंक यू विल गेट सम 65 or 67 राउंड अबाउट, यू विल गेट 65 or 67. सॉल्व दैट. ओके, दैट वाज न्यूमेरिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. आई एम राइटिंग जस्ट वेट. हाँ 62.5 न्यूटन. This will be the answer, and for this will be the answer. I hope I am clear. Once again देखो T2 50 न्यूटन हो जाएगा बिकॉज इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन में. ठीक है, ओके. 14th, come on 14. Here only I am solving, and if possible then I will take help of this page also. तो उसको फ्री डायग्राम मारते हैं, बी फास्ट फटाक से. ये हो गया नॉर्मल N1 और यहाँ ऐसे लगेगा 30. Here same case, N2 normal, and here like this 20 dot like this along this, it will be tension along this tension. String is same और change, यहाँ से यहाँ तक स्ट्रिंग सेम है, स्ट्रिंग एक ही है, तो टेंशन भी सेम ही होगा, बदलेगा नहीं टेंशन. ओके, दोनों और both the side tension will be same. Okay, again I have to resolve the forces, same thing along the motion. Here I will resolve 30, here I will resolve 20 Newton along the motion. Motion is along this, so I am resolving 30. This is 53 degree, this will be 90 minus theta, that is 37 degree. This will be again 53 degree, though it is not looking like, but it will be. ये 53 degree फिर से होगा, 53 degree होगा. तो this will be 30 into cos 53 degree, and this will be 30 sin 53 degree. Similarly, this will be like this. This will be again थीटा, तो यहाँ से फिर ये थीटा ही होगा ऐसे. सॉरी ये थीटा, तो ये थीटा, ये 37 डिग्री, दिस विल बी 37 डिग्री सिंस दिस इज 37 डिग्री, तो 90 माइनस थीटा, दिस विल 37 डिग्री, so this will come 20 cos 37 degree, and this will come 20 sine 37 degree. Now look this will slide either like this or like this, they will not jump like this, so in this direction equilibrium, so no need to write, means in this direction forces are balanced, means n1 is equal to this, n2 is equal to this, no need to worry about this, only it will slide like this or like this. Okay, that we don't know, you can suppose किसी को भी greater ले लेते हैं, no problem at all. Let us check it out. So I'm taking this as a greater, so what I'm writing 20 sine 37 degree, sine 37 degree is 3 by 5, 20 into 3 by 5 minus t, because t is opposite direction, is equal to 2a. In this t minus 30 into sine 53 degree. Sine 53 degree means 4 by 5 is equal to 3a. Okay, hereafter I will solve here. Listen here, again I'm telling you, hereafter I am solving here. So listen here, t cancelled. So this will be 4 ja, means 12 6 ja minus 24 is equal to 5a, implies that a is equal to minus 12 by 5 meter per second square. Acha, here minus k means answer is wrong. No, not like that. Answer is right. Minus is showing that our supposition is wrong. Means here I have taken this is a greater and this is a smaller, so that I have done this minus this and this minus this. So it is coming negative. Means this greater means I suppose that this will slide कीलई, this will go मेलई. Means this will slide down and this will go up. ये नीचे जाएगा, ये ऊपर जाएगा, जो कि विरुद्धात्मक है. Means contradiction between my supposition. तो ये नीचे जाने के बजाय इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग दिस कीलई, दिस विल गो मेलई, ये अप, दिस विल गो अप, ये ऊपर जाएगा और ये नीचे जाएगा. तो दिस माइनस शोज नथिंग बट दिस ओनली. तो इन स्पाइट फैक्ट मीन्स दिस विल गो डाउन, दिस विल गो अप. Now what about tension? Put same either here or here. I am putting in second equation, first equation, second equation. Second equation में I will put then 3 into a की value minus 12 by 5 plus 6 plus 24 only. So I think what I will get solve this, I will get 36 by 5 plus 24 into 5. When I will solve this, so what I will get, let's say 54 into 5 minus 36, 84. Totally I will get 84 by 5 Newton. Means tension in the string is 84 by 5 Newton. Answer. I hope I am clear. Tension is this. Okay, this is all I have solved for you. Similarly, last but not the least, important question है, little bit different important question, so I will like to discuss over here. You have to find normal, you have to find the normal for the given figure. Normal force, you have to find normal force for the given figure. Means this is a block, this is a round block or round sphere of mass 3 kg stuck in this situation like this. So normal will act this point contact and this point contact, that we have to find. Okay, so pause the screen, try by yourself, because it is slightly different than all the cases. So pause the screen for 3-minute try, then honestly look at the solution. I am beginning. Okay, यहाँ से ऐसे mg पास करेगा center of mass से. Actually mg always act through center of mass only. Here I not told, but when you will study center of mass, or when I will make video on center of mass, then you will come to know mg only means mg force always passes through center of mass. ये नॉर्मल ऐसे पास करेगा यहाँ से ऐसे, ये नॉर्मल, एंड दिस नॉर्मल विल ऑल्सो पास थ्रू लाइक दिस, थ्रू हियर. Let us say n1, let us say n2. Okay. Now these three forces are balanced. These two forces are balancing this one, or we can say these two forces are balancing this one. But these all are not in same plane. So let us first of all resolve them. So look at carefully. One thing here I missed to give that, sorry. This is sphere ka radius, or you can say diameter. Dia is 10 meter. Dia is 10 meter. Diameter is 10 meter. Diameter is 10 meter. So this radius will be 5. Radius will be 5. Radius will be 5. Okay, very good. And this will be, and this will be 3, 4. One thing more I missed, class, sorry. Distance between the gap, this gap between them is 8 meter. Now you can find. Okay, now you can find. This is 10 meter, this is 8 meter. 10 meter is diameter, here to here length. This is 8 meter. Then only you stuck. So you have to find the normal reaction. I am starting. Okay. So listen here. This total 10 means this is 5. If this is 5 and this is 8 and this will be perpendicular bisector, this will be 4 and this is 5, then obviously this will come 3 by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and this angle will be 53 degree and this angle will be 37 degree. You can find properly standard triangle. If this is 53 degree, so this is also 53 degree vertically opposite, and this is also 53 degree. See here, same case. Now since it is symmetry, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5 here also, this 3, this 4, this 5 here also. So one thing is clear, that here n1 equal to n2, both are equal to n. n1 equal to n2 equal to n. Here both are equal. Means this n1 and n2 both are equal. One thing is clear, that here n1 and n2 are equal. Okay, very good. So now resolve the forces and solve them. So simple like this. Means this will give n1 cos 53 degree, sorry, n1 sin 53 degree, here also n1 sin 53 degree. Listen here carefully. n1 sin 53 degree, here also n sin 53 degree. Both are equal in magnitude, because just now we have symmetry case. So these two will be cancelled, and this cos 53 degree and cos 53 degree will get two component, 2n cos 53 degree here. Will two component of this, one of this, one of this, they will be add up here, and this ka sine component will be cancelled, they will get cancelled. So what I will write, 2n cos 53 degree is equal to mg. What is mg? 3 kg, so 30. So n is equal to 30 by 2 into cos 53. Cos 53 means cos 3 by 5. 3 by 5. तो ये हो गया 15. 15 15 5 जा 60 75, sorry, 15 5 जा 75. तो ये हो गया 75/3 न्यूटन. Answer. This is our answer. 75/3 Newton. So once again listen here. This I have solved for you. Properly look at carefully. Pause the screen if you want to note this all. You can note it. For class hereafter means that Newton laws of motion without friction completed. Next video will be on constrained motion. Then I will make on friction. Slowly I will increase the level also. But here one thing I would like to clear, class. Once again, Newton laws of motion and equation of motion difference is clear, I hope, for you. Equation of motion means V is equal to U plus AT, S equal to UT plus half AT square. These all are equations of motion once again, because equality is there, as I told you, in that figure also. And these are the laws of motion. The law of inertia. Here only one thing I forgot, that laws of inertia. Inertia is what is inertia? That I told you. Inertia is a property of body by virtue of which it want to maintain its state either at rest or in motion. Inertia 3 type. Inertia is at rest, inertia in motion, as well as inertia of direction properly. So this was my hard work, means this all what I did for you. If you like that, we appreciate that really. So like and subscribe. Your liking will give me boosting, and subscribing will give help in the future, will give me help in the future. So if you like this really, so like and subscribe. And if any drawback is here, so write your comment and do not use absurd word. Below, properly write your comment. I will consider that. I will read everyone comment. So for that, तब तक के लिए आप लोगों का कोटि कोटि धन्यवादम, कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद, रोम्बा रोम्बा नंड्री. Thanks a lot. Take care. Stay safe. Stay safe from corona. Don't go outside. Okay. Jai Hind.